Hey everybody, I wanted to give you a brief introduction to what we'll be learning in 7th grade social studies this year. We cover 3 different parts of the world. The first part of the world is called Southwest Asia, and if you can see my mouse here, is pretty much where I'm circling here. Okay, that's Southwest Asia. We also refer to that as the Middle East. So those are interchangeable, so you'll need to know both terms. Southwest Asia means the Middle East. So that's this part of the world right here. And we will do 4 units over Southwest Asia. The first thing we'll do is geography, then we will do government, then we'll do economics, and then we'll do history. Then we'll move from Southwest Asia over to Southern and Eastern Asia, which is over here, kind of where I'm circling. Southern and Eastern Asia. That is also referred to as the Far East. So that's another thing you have to know. This has 2 names. And again, we will do the same 4 units over Southern and Eastern Asia. Geography, government, economics, history. Then our last part of the world that we'll do is down here, Africa. You can see I'm circling it with my mouse. And again, we'll repeat those 4 units over Africa: geography, government, economics, and history. So that's kind of a little brief overview of what we'll be learning together in 7th grade social studies. I can't wait to meet all of you.